Hey guys, so today I'm going to be organizing my room. So I've actually organized my room. I actually organize my room every single day now because I have nothing to do. So I organize my room every day. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I move stuff around and stuff like that. So yeah. Alright guys, so first we're starting with my desk, which is where I usually sit, where I film my videos. So I usually have these scissors. It's probably better to hold them this way. So I used to have everything on my desk and stuff like that. Now I have mostly nothing on my desk. But I'm going to put these scissors right here. Over here I have some stuff too. And as you can see, my desk is pretty organized. Anyway, so now I am going to do stuff. So these are my glasses. I'm going to put them right here. Alrighty, these are some pictures that I have. This one, this one. I've never actually been to Paris, but my parents have, and they took. And well, I think this is from an airplane. They took this from an airplane, I think. So that's nice. I'm gonna put those right there. Now I'm actually gonna take these pens, and I'm gonna put them somewhere okay, so I have this cup of pens and pencils and stuff. So I think I'm gonna put this here. Because these are pens after all, so we should go where all the pens are. I just hope I don't lose it. Or I'll actually remember that I have this, because I don't want to lose it. Okay, I'm going to put these two right down here in this little box, in this little here. Right over here in this little cabinet. So, yeah, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in there, I think. Yeah. And I'm going to take this. This is toilet paper because I make a lot of experiments around here. And I don't want anything to get dirty and stuff. So I always have toilet paper. I don't know where to put it, though. Hey, you know what? This picture has always been, it's cool. It's I don't know how to. So it's from here to here. And it's from this picture. It's from this cat. It's from this cat to this cat. Cool. I like this picture. I got it from my grandma. Okay. Wait, now I'm going to take the tape, which was where the scissors were. And I think I'm going to put it on my wall. Because I want my wall to be nice and neat. I want my wall to be nice. Alright, okay, now, so I put it up there. As you can see, right there where all my stuff are. Now, I have to do something with this photo. Now, this photo is an old photo. And I want to hang it up somewhere. And I want to see how it'll look without it. Oh, wow, it looks so blank. I love it, though. Okay, well, let me put it back on. Okay, because this is an old photo of me. And I look really bad in it. Oh, my gosh. Okay, well, that just fell. Alright, well. I can fix stuff. Okay. So I'm going to put this back. Now I am going to put my eraser right here. Now I don't know where to. I have an idea. Move stuff around a little bit. There's a lot of noise. Okay. If you didn't hear me, I said there's a lot of noise. And okay, wait, let me clean this up. Okay, I'll show you guys what I'm doing right here. So I put this right here. Okay, so I'm putting this right here because I want there. Oh wow! Now this area is kind of dirty, so I'm gonna use my eraser and I'm gonna erase the things that are dirty. And the other stuff, I'm just gonna swoosh it out of the way. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this right here, I think. And then I'm gonna put this box of tape right here because when my tape will finish, I'll use this one. And it is already open because why not have it open? Put this little guy right there. And I'm gonna put this over here and stuff. Now I am going to put that right, this little monster. No, actually I'm gonna put this little monster over here. And I'm gonna put that, no. I'm gonna put it like this and like this. Okay, now I'm gonna take these rocks. I'm gonna put them right here because they're pretty important to me. And over here is the important stuff thing. I guess I'm gonna put my eraser over there because that's where all my pencils and stuff are. Then I'm gonna put this. This is where all my very important things are. In this I say everything is very important, but this, I got it from someone very special. Someone very, very special. And there are very, very special things in here. Like this, which this is from my favorite necklace. And it broke, the head broke off, and that's really sad. And then over here I have some good luck rocks and stuff. So this is a pink one, which is very pretty. This is a blue one. And I have something else very, very important to me in here that I actually, oh, and I have this heart. This is just for fun. Okay, so I actually found this in the desert. That means it might be a real dinosaur tooth. I mean, I think it's a shark tooth. But for some reason I found it in the desert, which is weird, but maybe, well, the desert that I went to was right next to, well, it wasn't like a, maybe it was like I don't know, a thing. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, I'm gonna put my stickers right there. This right here. I'm gonna put this guy and this guy over here. And I'm gonna put my watch right here, my cup over here, this thing over here, which you can't even see, that thing over here, and that, oh, this is a cute guy. Okay, I'm gonna put this guy over here. I'm gonna put my lip balm right there. I'm gonna put my, move that over there. I'm gonna put my lip balm over here. All those stuff right here. And I'm gonna put this right over here. Now I am going to put this over here and then right here. Okay. So now I'm gonna so I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna put my mask, which is very important for these times, over here, that over there, that over here with that. My picture, which is pretty important because it's just important to me. And then this, which is a genie lamp, right there. Ow, that kind of. Okay, there we go. That's there. And yeah, so I cleaned my room. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all social media, and I'll see you guys soon or tomorrow. Peace.